guys, so I have my camera now. Let me turn a light on so you guys can see me. Okay, yeah. So now I got my camera. So I will be vlogging regularly today. Like I said, we are gonna go. I'm not really sure what the heck we're doing today.
Come look at this, Jaden.
Because we don't really know too much information on the place that we're going. I thought it was a farm. I don't know. So I am going to clean my bed real quick and straighten up this stuff. I don't want to show you this, guys, yet because I am going to be doing a back to school haul. But I'm going to tidy up this room real quick, and yeah. Alright, so the room is nice and tidied up. So I'm gonna find you some new shoes.
Yeah.
Let's look at your shoes. Oh, look at, they're not even tied.
Your shoes, buddy.
What are we gonna have for
Tie your shoes, man.
Got one pair of sneakers down and one more to go. I might get jelly sneakers today because I didn't. Yeah.
Kid, do me a favor. Stop being so crabby. I saw how you froze up because of the shoes. Stop her from spinning around the lap.
Next, we're gonna go to Dick's.
Okay, we could get you.
How do you feel about your new sneakers? Do you feel it's a good pick?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
Oh,
Some Adidas?
I got black, gold, and white Adidas.
Ooh. Now we're in Dick's Sporting Goods. Gotta find Jaden and Jelly some sneakers, hopefully.
I want to run.
No, we're not going to. Come on. Let me see. Let me see them. Let me see where your toe is. Yep. Those seem nice. Do you like them? Are those the ones you want?
Yeah.
Are those ones instead?
Yeah.
Let me see.
I want
Let me see. Show me. Show me what they do. Show me what they do. Wait, stand up. Turn the other way. Do it. There you go. You like them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll try both of them.
Those are winners?
Yeah.
Jelly, you don't need to try both of them on.
I want to.
Alright. I like these ones better. Whatever.
Yeah.
Like them?
Yeah.
Okay, run on those now. Alright, come back. Come back. Come back. Just want to take them off. Hey, Doey. Doey. Hey, baby. You done using the bathroom? Let Zoe go to the bathroom. She's all over the place. Come on. Come on, Zoe. Come on. Inside. Come on. Come on. Inside we go. Alright, so I just got done filming the boys back to school haul. I'm hoping to put that one up before I put this one up. So if I put it up before this one, I'll make sure to link it down below. Because this right here is just a vlog. And we were going to go to the cider mill today. But don't mind my crooked glasses. I'm waiting for my new ones to come in. But we found out that it's not a farm or anything. It's just like a store. And we didn't want to drive all the way out there just to go into a store. So we bought some honey buns for the kids. And we're just gonna give them like a snack after lunch, and then we are going to cook out today. And we went to the store to go pick up their sneakers and stuff like that. Like I said, that'll be in the back to school haul, so I'll make sure I will link that down below. As you see in the clips, that's where we're at. We're in the mall. So, and we're not really doing anything else major today unless we decide to go out spur of the moment. And my brother might come over here, I'm not sure. But that's just how our plans quickly shifted today. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that stuff away and finish vlogging for the day. I hope this day isn't too boring for you, but like I know that I need to vlog more, so I'm making an effort even if it's gonna be boring. Goes down there. I have laundry to do. So bad. So these this is lunch. I made some chicken fries, and these are some barbecue chicken tenders, and then some mac and cheese is going in there. So this is lunch, and it'll be done in about like 2 minutes. So
Here to reach. Here to reach. Here. Oh. No, Licky, your breath stinks.
hi, Jelly.
We're watching Suicide Squad.
You're watching Suicide Squad?
Yeah. Daddy watching Suicide Squad.
Is she really watching Suicide Squad? Oh yeah.
There's Suicide. Oh my God.
It's the game.
Now we get over here.
Jelly. She's fine. Look at her.
What now?
Let's check over here.
Yes.
We don't need any of this stuff. Come on.
What do we eat? Bird.
Usually they have the outdoor stuff over here. Let's see. Just look over here. Okay, so maybe we should go with the pet food. See if they have it.
Why the
Pet
flower
food? Should we try? Section, I thought they would have it over here.
Yeah, but they got a lot of seeds over here.
Maybe we could try the
Like,
pet
look
food
how
section.
many seeds that is.
Well, you guys said that you don't want to plant anything. Remember, you said that you wanted to make a bird feeder. So we're gonna make a bird feeder.
What did you say?
Plant.
Did you want to plant?
Jelly, come over here.
Mom, I can't wait to make my own video at the end.
Jacob, can you stop asking for stuff?
What's he asking for now?
For me to make a video for him at the end of my video.
Didn't I get mad at you earlier today for continuously asking for stuff? I think I did. I can't remember. 'cause you just
That was
asked for
yesterday.
So much stuff. Nothing's ever good enough for Jacob, so it's gotta be more, that's more. What?
Jelly, this way.
Jelly. Hey, you know
Walking too slow.
This is cat food. We need bird food.
Yes.
Here goes. Okay, here goes wild bird food. Okay. Okay. This is parakeet food.
We don't have
This is cockatoos.
Mom, this is for
We need
any
wild.
type of bird.
Let me see. Wild bird food. Here. Wild bird food. Yeah.
Any type of bird.
This right here. Wild bird food.
We have red cardinals around here.
We need that.
We also have a lot of these birds. We had a lot of these birds, right?
Yeah, we have a lot.
Yeah, a lot of those ones. Those are wild birds.
Yeah, but I think we have a lot of those birds around here.
What else do we need?
We need some of these for the birds.
Okay, so in case you guys don't know, we are making a bird feeder.
I found
So, no, we got paint at home. We just need like some string.
That's dope.
And let's look over here. This is the arts and crafts stuff over here. I mean, I guess we could use this as string. We could use this as string, right?
Yeah, but are you filming a vlog right now?
Yeah, I am.
Hello.
What about these puff balls?
Puff balls?
Did we put some puff balls, right? Those are expensive. Jeez.
How do I?
Hold on. No, we're not here for that. I think this will work for thread.
Can we paint? Is this allowed to paint with? Pretty sure that's the paint with.
Here goes some glitter. We can use some of this glitter. We got markers at home, right?
Yeah. Markers that really don't
This is
work.
a...
Mom, we don't have markers that really work.
We don't need markers if we're painting something. We're going to paint and then we're going to decorate it.
You want to know what else we need?
What?
Come with me. Everybody come with me if you want to live forever. Yep.
Come with me. Okay guys, I just got back from Target and I got me a Fitbit. I have heard such cool things about it, so I got my self a Fitbit. Actually, Adam got this for me, and it's just the Fitbit Flex 2, and I thought it had some really cool features on it, and my boss talks about this all the time. She wanted me to get one so bad, and I finally got one. And then I also got this pop socket, so I am going to set this up on my computer. I like this because it comes with two bands. Pink is my favorite color, so I got pink, and then it comes with a small, a large, and this is the actual Fitbit itself. So I think I have to hook it up to my computer. I'm not really sure yet, but right now the kids are downstairs. But right now the kids are downstairs having a snack. They're having some honey buns because we just got back from the store. And when they're done, let their stomachs set for a little bit, we're going to make homemade bird feeders. And then we're going to hang them in the tree outside. So that way the birds can eat off those. So I thought that would be a really cool arts and craft thing to do. Do not mind my hair. Please don't mind it. And don't mind my glasses once again. But I'm so excited I got a Fitbit. Okay, let me try to set it up. So right now we're making our bird feeders. This is Jelly. She's making hers out of...
And we already made a birdhouse at Dad's.
Well, this is a bird feeder. See, we made a nice little... Where's the hole? The hole right there, and then we'll put bird food right in there. So this is what we're doing right now.
Put the food inside?
Yeah, we're going to put it right in here. And then the birdies are just going to jump up in there.
Robins are big, Jacob. I know they are.
Yeah, they are big birds.
And then we got some glitters right here. We got...
I know that blue jays live
these
around
ones.
here. They are big. They are big.
Just gonna focus.
know that blue
These are
jays
like
live around
blue. Then we got these green ones. And then we got some silver glitter.
And I'm painting mine.
And then we got some pink glitter going on right here. So then we have the paints, the paint brushes.
Can I use yours for those too?
They said that you could.
I can wipe it off.
Uh-oh. Got it?
Got it.
Well, can I use some of you?
Hey guys, I am sorry I haven't updated. Oh my god, look at my glasses. So I got my Fitbit to finally work. I'm so excited that I have one of these, and I got it all set up on my phone. And I also put my pop socket on my phone, which is so cool. Is it? Oh wow, it kind of looks crooked. Oh well. But I haven't vlogged in a while, so I'm so sorry if this vlog isn't that interesting anymore. But I think I am gonna go ahead and end the vlog because Jelly is sleeping and the boys are going to be asleep pretty soon. So, again, I'm sorry if it wasn't that interesting, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.